In this video, we will show you how to adjust the height of the first layer on the TRILAB DeltiQ or DeltiQ Plus. It needs to be done when you get a new printhead or new printpad. Correct setting of the height of the first layer is an important parameter for printing the entire model. The print pad was decreased with an alcohol pad. In the File section, select the Demo Print folder and run the DQ2 50x50 plate print file that we recommend for this. The printer will start with calibration. After the calibration, the print will begin. If the layer is too low, it's rough. If the layer is high, the strokes and gaps between them are visible. There is also a risk that the model will not stick with the print pad. If the layer is good, it feels smooth. If the layer is not smooth, it needs to be adjusted. You can do it in the Tune section with the Tune Z-Probe Offset button. A minus value decreases the height of the first layer, the plus value will increase it. Always adjust the first layer during printing when you are at the printer. We recommend using the Delta control to edit it. If you want to save the settings only for the current print, press the Update button. If you want the layer height to remain stored for the subsequent print, press the Update and Store. Be careful when you're adjusting the height of the first layer and always adjust it in small steps. It's that simple. Enjoy the print.